Hello guys, welcome to Digital Doorway YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be on another lifetime deal, and as you can see on the screen, this deal is valid only for another 7 days. So this deal is about KIRIM Email. It's an Indonesian based company which has been in email automation business since 2015. So till now it has only been in Indonesian market, but now it is expanding globally, and I've been reading these reviews since a lot of days now, and they have mostly been very positive from their current client base. So I decided to go ahead and purchase this deal, which I did yesterday, and I decided to make a quick video on this, just an overview and a walkthrough on what I felt about this tool, right? So before I get started about this video, let me just tell you that I haven't tested really how this tool's send rate is, because email deliverability is, because I cannot compare this tool with MailChimp or MailerLite or GetResponse or any of those standard tools. Still, I do not use it for few months, because every tool has a different deliverability. Every tool has its own different open rate. Some tools, when you send an email, it goes into inbox directly. Some of them go to social tab or promotion tabs, or some of them land in spam emails. So I really cannot give a guarantee that this will work out well, but given the reviews that I have read, and you can go to Facebook and check it out for yourself, this seems to be a very, very good tool. And what makes this a bit different from MailChimp or MailerLite is that it's not only an email automation tool or email broadcast tool, but it also has an inbuilt software for verifying emails. So let's say you have a data of 10,000 emails and about 2,000 are spam emails or bounced emails. So you can feel free and go ahead and upload that list in KIRIM Email, and the inbuilt software will automatically remove those spam emails or bot emails, or emails which could hard bounce. So what this ensures is that the email deliverability and your email reputation is very good, because you have to maintain a good email reputation so that it doesn't get blocked out. So other softwares that I've seen do not provide this, and you will have to go for the third-party tools for email validation and verification. But this tool, KIRIM Email, has this software inbuilt. Another feature that this tool is providing is contests and promotions. So that is another feature which normally email automations tool do not provide, the contemporary ones or the recent ones, that is. So I found the onboarding process to be very, very good. It's quite rigid, and and you have to really validate all the questions that they're asking. You have to answer all of them. And also you cannot use any of your normal emails like Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo Mail. You have to use non-Gmail or non-personal emails, right? You cannot also use Outlook. Outlook is something which they do not accept. So their onboarding is quite good when it comes to ensuring that only right emails is accepted. So as you can see on the screen, they have 7 days left for their lifetime deal to end. Let me just go down. So they have this built-in email validation which I was mentioning. So it's included in the pricing. They remove zombie emails, automatically remove spam traps, bot and zombie emails. It also sync with Google Sheets. They mentioned Google Sheets over here, but if I come down and show you further in the video, they also have direct integration with Facebook, direct integration with Google Lead Ads, with Elementor, Page Builder, Divi, etc. Another tool that they have feature is Landing Page Builder with custom domain, viral campaign and viral contest. So directly with tools like Telegram, WordPress. They also have a WordPress plugin. So you can also go to your WordPress, open the plugin section, install that plugin, KIRIM Email, and you can install it directly. And it's very useful for forms, because this tool also provides forms. So if you can directly embed your form, and the leads will be passed on to your list. So regardless of the plan that you take, you can send unlimited emails. So example, you take the 20,000 per month plan, so you can send unlimited emails to those 20,000 subscribers. If you take the plan for 50,000, you can send unlimited emails to those 50,000 subscribers. So that's another good thing. There is no limit to the number of emails that could be sent out. As with any other email software solution, they have email templates, landing page templates. So let's go down further. This is all. Yeah, so here you will see that they have built-in email validation, superior deliverability, high open rate. You can also segment your subscribers. You can also send email based on open rate, click rates, location, etc. And automatic, all their templates are mobile responsive. Landing page comes with custom domain, so you can add unlimited custom domains. And also they have Facebook ads integration directly without any third-party apps, so you don't have to use any other apps for that. Custom audience, Facebook lead ads, and all of these. So let's go down further and check out the pricing. So this tool, this offer has been there for the last 2 weeks or so. So let's check the pricing now. I'm sure, yeah. So their basic plan, which is of 7,500 contacts, is sold out. It was going for $49. You could add 7,500 subscribers to this. So as you can see, a lot of positive reviews, and this is sold out. You can go for 10,000 contacts. It's being sold at $99 now. 20,000 at $199. And if you look at these, you have unlimited emails, up to 10,000 subscribers, email validations, unlimited email automations, A/B testing, no KIRIM email branding, 3 team account, and 8 email sender. So you can have up to 3 team members, and you can have 8 email sender domains. They also have this 40,000 contacts plan, 80,000 contacts, and 100,000 contacts. So this is what it is about the pricing page and the landing page of KIRIM email. Another thing is upgrading my LTD package. So if you see over here, if the current package is 100,000 contacts, you can upgrade it on our monthly regular plan package by paying 50% of the price difference. So they have these, you can contact their support team. I found their support team, the chat especially, to be very, very good. They're always online. And the tool, the dashboard, is available in native Indonesian language and English language. So and all of these guys who are on the chat, they speak very good English, and they're very responsive. The reply time is very quick, so you don't have to worry since it's a new tool. So let me take you straight away to the dashboard over here. So you will find services, invoices, profile, affiliate program, tutorial, and store. So you can let me just go over here first. So as you can see, you have all of these, and I have the 20,000 plan that I've taken for lifetime. I can always go ahead and upgrade my plan. Okay, now I like the fact that they have segregated this affiliate profile and invoices, etc. And if you want to go to your dashboard, click on go to app dashboard, and let's take a look at all of these tabs on the header. First, you start off with broadcast. Broadcast is normal email sent, so one-off emails which you can send. You can click over here, new broadcast, and you can put the name. You can add the broadcaster from the from name. And I uploaded, since I use HubSpot, I uploaded my HubSpot bounce list just to ensure that whether the validation happens or not, to see, and it went quite smoothly. So you can use this list, select the segment and click on next. Okay, campaign name cannot be blank. Okay, I'll have to, okay. So as you can see over here, we have this email subject. You have to enter this email subject and put the email over here. And you have all of these buttons. Also, you can use the Dropbox link, the WhatsApp, the shop catalog, the source, and the basic kind of a builder, but you can also do A/B testing, and you also have something called email builder. If you click over here, then you can create email from scratch over here. This is the email builder, and you can also use templates. They have some good templates to use, different categories. They have some premium ones coming up, and these are saved ones. If I want to go to, let's say, hotels, then these are the 2 email templates they have. So this is quite a fancy, and it's very good, and you can always link this to different tabs on your website. You can just click over here and put the URL, and they'll take them over there. You can also check how it looks on mobile. So it's clearly responsive, right? I'm going back to desktop now. And you can also import and export different things. Import and export. And yeah, this is about the email builder. Let me just go back and close this, and again click on email builder. Okay, this is again coming. I'll just have to close over here. Yeah, so you have this basic tabs, buttons over here which you can use. So for example, over here I want to add an image, so it's drag and drop. You can add any image over here. See, if you want to add social buttons, then you can drag and drop over here. So it's very simple, very straightforward. I'm going to close this, and so this was about the broadcast tab. Coming to autoresponder next. Autoresponder is how you want to set up your automation. If you want to send a automated email to someone who opens the email or someone who clicks, you click on new autoresponder, and here you can see different options. So if somebody subscribes, so you want to send an email to somebody to email after he subscribes, then you have to write the content over here, and you can select the status over here, delay the sending by how many days or hours. You can also preview it over here. If you want to educate your audience, then you can do it 1 day after the last email. All of these are in draft unless you publish it. Soft sell 1 day after the last email, hard sell, educate your audience, etc. So again, you can add another email over here, and as usual you have the email builder which I just showed you, and then you have the settings tab here. Click on the settings tab, and you have the autoresponder status. You can turn it on and off. You can track the opens and the clicks, autoresponder title, and the email sender. Select a existing recipient if you want to do it. So you can play around with this settings. This is showing a rent because my verification is still going on, so hopefully it will take up to 24 to 48 hours to complete this. Okay, so this was about the autoresponder. You have all of these options which are very good to use, and then you have the automation. So automation is clearly an excellent thing to have, and it's a very good thing in email automation services. So you can give the automation name over here, and you can define the trigger. If you run a broadcast, if somebody you want to create this as a trigger, then you can create the broadcast based on this. So since I don't have anything, if I click over here, then you can set the trigger or the response or the decision. For example, if I click on trigger again, if you can delete it, and based on decision, then you have the yes and no. This is the if and then branch. If whatever is the trigger, then you can set the conditions over here. So as you can see clearly, it has so many different functionalities over here. It's very, very granular in the way that you can set up the automations based on the actions that the subscriber takes. So next up is the list. So here I just uploaded, like I told you, my HubSpot list. So I can take different actions over here. I can edit this list. or yeah, so I can edit this, the default template, and all of these basic things, etc. We're just going to cancel this, and then you can also create a new list. So you can create an internal name, a public name, and an email confirmation template, sorry. So I'm just going to cancel this. So over here you have different options. You have manage list, you have subscriber fields, you have segments. You can segment your subscribers. You have import inactive subscriber. You can delete any inactive subscriber that you might have. You can remove this email inactive subscriber. Migration tools they have with MailChimp. So like any other major automation tools, they have given importance to MailChimp. So if any of you are using MailChimp, and if you want to import your contacts from MailChimp to KIRIM email, so you can set up, click on setup and continue the process that they have. It's very straightforward. They are also introducing webhooks. It's in beta stage right now. So this is quite good that you can clearly have a webhook and directly transfer or migrate from there. So if you're using Pabbly Connect or any webhook like that, then you can go ahead with this. Now coming to forms, then over here you have the forms which you can use on your website and the landing pages, right? So I'm just going to I already have a test form over here, so let me just click on edit. The forms tool is quite comprehensive. Like I mentioned earlier, you can also install the WordPress plugin and it'll do wonders for you. So it's quite comprehensive because you have this simple email or opt-in where you can give the title, the description, the YouTube code if you want. You can also submit label button, and you also have the whether it is hosted, or you can use the JavaScript or HTML to use this code on your website. If you want to put this code on your website, then directly the leads will fall into your list in this software. If you're using in this simple opt-in, you also have the lead magnet settings, right? If you want to add a new field, then you can add it over here and then put phone number, for example, and you can use drop down. You see it over here, whether it is optional or required. You can set mandatory. So, and you also have the confirmation settings. If somebody confirms, then you can send this email out to them whenever there's a confirmation. And you also have something called post sign up, right? So what message you want to show someone who's signed up already. And then you have the double opt-in. If you're using a double opt-in method of verifying emails, then you can use this double opt-in. Again, confirmation settings and post sign up. If you're using single opt-in, then you can use this one. So these two, I like these two because they have clearly separated single opt-in and double opt-in. You can also forward this to the email. It adds the email recipient over here. So as you can see, so you can forward this. For example, if you want to forward this to your sales team or your marketing team, then it will be directly forwarded to them. And when it comes to the form, then they have three different types: the slide and the bar. This is the form, and this is how it will slide through, right? And you have this left side or bottom light box, right side and bottom right. You also have the appearance where you can change. You have the exclude link or embed code. You can use this. And then you have the top bar. It comes on the top of your website. Again, you have all of these features over here. You can also preview your, so this is how it will show. This is your website, and this is how, or landing page, and this is how it will show. If you're using the slide, then you can preview it, and this is how it will look like. You can check on tab or on a mobile. It takes up full screen. Okay, I'm going to go back to forms now. And if you create a new form, form name form 1. You can create a landing page from here. Then you can use this form on the landing page. Again, in the landing page they have many templates that you can use, or you can create a custom landing page from the scratch. Then so you'll have to fill up these landing page settings, general, lead magnet. Again, over here you have double opt-in, etc. So you can click on templates, and let's say I take this one. So this is a beautiful landing page, and you can use all of these standard buttons to alter this or to add, and you can edit the text. So you can also preview. If you go to settings over here, then again these come up, right? You can also upload your images. They have with images, yeah, so they have these images by Unsplash, Pixels and Pixabay. They have many of these images, so you can use any stock image if you want. So yeah, you can use any of these stock image, and it'll be automatically, the size will be adjusted, so you don't have to worry about the size too much, because it'll be automatically compressed, or so that it's not heavier, the page. So I'm just going to close this. So it's very simple to create these emails and these landing pages because they're all responsive. I'm going to come to you can turn this on and off. I'm going to come to integrations now. As I said before, they have integrations with a lot of tools. They have this viral form where you can create this contest giveaway. Let me click over here. So you want to start a new campaign, and they have two types of contests. You have the top waitlist and referral count. I haven't really created this now because I just purchased the tool yesterday, so I'll make a separate video on this. I'm just going to close this for now. They have integration with Facebook, with Telegram, with Google Leads form. This is very nice. Timer countdown also. I'm just going to show you this very quickly. So you can create a new timer. So new timer is shown when you want to show some urgency that the sale is over. In the beginning of this video I showed you the timer which was showing on a landing page of KIRIM email. It was showing 7 days left. So similarly you can also show urgency that the sale is going to finish, or the offer is going to run out, etc. So as you can see, preview, how many days are remaining, etc. So it's very straightforward. You set up all of these, end date, time zone, language, etc., and it'll start running. So they have this email template builder, Zapier, which is the popular platform to connect different apps. They have with WordPress, WooCommerce, and I had a chat with their team, and they told me that more integrations are on the way. So it's really exciting to know that they are continuously developing. So this was all a walkthrough on this KIRIM email. Like I showed you in the beginning, there are only 7 days left for this, and I haven't tried running emails yet. I'm going to do it this week, and I'm going to create follow-up video in 2 or 3 days to show you how the email deliverability was. So if you have any comments about this tool, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. And if you want to go ahead and buy it, I think you should, because you're getting unlimited emails from this. For any plan that you go with, you have email validation service. If you have spam emails, the tool automatically removes spam emails, so you don't have to buy a third-party tool. If you want landing pages, pretty much everything is covered over here. Contests and giveaways is one thing which I really liked, and email validation is something which I liked again. So these are 2 extra features which you don't normally get. So that's all for now. Thank you and goodbye.